work that I put in before that were not an accident. The choices that I took when I took them were not an accident. Like if you make a choice today to become an entrepreneur, over the next 7 days, you will find ideas will meet you and they will begin to germinate. That will become companies of the future. The plus point that you have where you are at is that there are chances that if you are really communicated with each other, you all could have an entire corporation among you all. Go with what makes you feel correct. Go with your own strength. Don't try and do everything. I don't do everything. My core forte is concepts and I work on concepts. So now when I started the event management company, and then we were pretty much a very lucky bunch for the first 6 months. Even my chartered accountant was surprised. He said, business kaise karte ho? I said, event management hai idea. You have a great client, you bring out a good idea, and you're able to take that idea and make it real, which is the event. And you're doing a brilliant job, and you can go and tell a client, don't spend money here, it is a waste of money. The client is willing to pay you a premium because you are looking after the client, because you are thinking as brand. Be the best at what you do, whatever it is. But coming back to the money pressure, which is true, all of us go through it in your life. To that, it happens. Now what happened was that now that we started making a lot of money, with the first time entrepreneurs who do not come from business backgrounds, do not have MBA degrees. Sometimes money can make you a little more greedy, a little more selfish. And what happened was that we just started saying, let's make some more, let's make some more. So we kept picking up events. So there was one particular event which we weren't happy about. It didn't give us that kick that, this is an event, it's like a nice thing to add to my portfolio. That is when we decided we were using that money wrong. We were not using that money to make us feel better in a million different ways while we were making money. So we wanted to kind of come up with something that helped us balance out. So you're not feeling that you're constantly making money, at the same time not feel like you're constantly, you're getting into a different track altogether. That's when we formed something called the Positive Foundation. And we formed the Positive Foundation with an idea that we wanted to go out and the gratitude that we felt for how blessed we were to have taken the journey we did, come to where we are, go through what we did, make choices, take responsibilities. We wanted to take that out and share it with people. At the same time, we wanted to find a way that when we were not feeling like doing events, so events doesn't make us feel good, what can we do instead to stay in the market as well as stay in tune with who we really are, the vision of our company. So when we started, we said gratitude has to be the way forward and whatever, and I was playing with an idea called Santa Workshop for 2 years. And now we've run it for 2 years. Santa Workshop was our way of going out, giving back to society and saying thank you. But we said it's not going to be us giving back to society. We are going to society and we are going to tell society, come on, let's get together as a community, as a people and give back. Who do we give back to? People who don't get thanks. We give back to people like bus drivers, the auto rickshaw wallahs, little things that make them appreciate what they do. How many times has a professor said, brilliant work done, and for the next 10 days all assignments have been on time? How many times has your mom said, array, room saaf hai, next 2 weeks you'll have actually kept that room clean? The moment mother's eyes are off how good your room is, so are yours. And same way, every time you pick up a job, there are going to be the days that the boss tells you that you're doing a brilliant job and so you're telling everybody else, you should stay in this company, brilliant brand to work with. And the day somebody tells you, I think you're not doing a brilliant job, you suddenly see what is wrong with everything that is there. These are things that will happen, but enjoy it. Know that nothing happens by mistake. If you're having an issue with the boss, remember, it is time to remember that someday you are going to be a boss. Do you want that for yourself? If you don't want that for yourself, don't react the way you don't want to be reacted to. Life is a give and take. You are given a million opportunities every day to begin again.